El Bosque Iluminado, donde la magia de la Navidad cobra vida.
As the frost grows on the window and the wood stove smokes and glows, as the fire grows we can warm our souls, chasing rainbows